And here's I will show you how to check Google Form responses from mobile device. On your mobile phone, open a browser. Will be better if you use Google Chrome browser. Here type Google Forms, and all you have to need, open Google Forms. And now by default, whenever you open Google Forms from a mobile, you see this new form page. But we want to check our existing Google Forms all responses, right? To do that, we have to enable desktop side. So tap on this three dot and here enable desktop side. And here you will find all of your created Google Forms. Just select the specific form you want to check responses. Just tap on the form and you directly jump into the form page. Now just go ahead and turn off desktop side. And here go to responses. And here you will find all responses for the form. You can tap summary and here you can see responses. Go to question. Here you will find your responses as well and go to individual and here you will find individual responses. Thanks for watching.